Insurance companies that defend personal injury claims don't care about your suffering. They don't care about your pain. They don't care what this has done to your life. All they care about is taking in as much money as they possibly can in premiums, meaning the money that people pay them every month for their insurance, and paying out as little as possible in claims, which is the money that I get for people in settlements. This doesn't make them evil, by the way. This is just them operating the business. And, what people have to understand is I'm not fighting a villain in my law practice. I'm negotiating with another business and creating as much leverage as I can by building a strong case for you to get you the most money I can. And that's kind of the best way to view it. Now, just because I say that they're not evil, that doesn't mean that I think all of the tactics that they use are fair or ethical. In fact, I think a lot of what they do crosses the line. People always think that it's the plaintiffs, the people bringing the cases, that are the exaggerators and the liars. There's always the stereotype of the person who's fine but walks into court with a fake neck brace. In my experience, that doesn't really happen. That's very rare. But I could tell you from experience that insurance companies will fabricate evidence, manufacture witnesses. They will come up with the most dubious defenses to drag a case out for years, even if they know they're ultimately going to settle it. And, it causes real pain to people. And that's why having a skilled lawyer matters so much, because it's not just whether or not you were hurt. It's not just whether or not it was your fault. It's also, does this attorney know how to create the leverage that will make this insurance company take notice of your claim and pay you full value?